But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just chase everything. Instead of simply sitting down and saying, you know what? I'll just have a filet. Thank you. And I've done that with the 2022 model. I've done that just recently with the silver bullet model. I have lots more coming, but you don't have to have anything else. The optimal trade entry was enough. OTE pattern, the flagship that was on my YouTube channel. That's enough. The 2022 model, that's enough. You can use it in every session. London, New York, PM session. You can use it in London close. You can trade it in Forex. You can trade it in futures. You can trade it in crypto. You can trade it in whatever the heck you want to trade it in. It works. There's no excuse. You have zero excuse not to have some baseline by now. You should have some kind of experience to be able to say, you know what? This works. And I have to work on refining it, but I know it works because I've seen it in back testing, looking at where it has done this in the past. I tell you what time to look for these things to form. That way you're not just going around and looking at charts blindly. Go right to these specific times of the day. That's where it's going to form. For those people that go back in their old data and their old charts and they study that, they see it, they don't need me to do 50 examples of that. They don't need to see me do it live 50 times a week. They're sold on the idea. Okay, there's something here. It merits more investigation because I see the evidence of this thing occurring. It's not contrived. It's not conjectured. It's not made up. It's not fabricated. It's really happening every day. And once you see that, you don't need to have anybody else to cheerlead for you. You know, okay, there's something here. I want to mine that. So I give you just a few models so that way you go in and you now start working on the skill sets that are required. Not veering off course, hopping from one PD array, one approach, fair value gap, inversion value gap, breakers, market maker models, buy, sell. There's 1,000 things out there that I teach. Every individual one of them is a model. Every single one of them is an individual model. But I give you, this is the best way to learn. I'm allowing you to pick your weapon. I've opened my arsenal doors. So here it is. Look what I have here. Pick your weapon. But nothing changes when it comes to time. Time of day, these things occur at specific times, certain days of the week, certain weeks of the month, certain month of the year. I'm allowing you to bring your personality, your personal influence, because you're the problem and you're the last puzzle piece. See, some of you are sitting around here, you're writing diligent notes, you're doing this, you're doing that, and that's wonderful. But you're all waiting for that last penny to drop. The last ICT puzzle piece. And then it's all going to come together. It's all going to be crystal clear. Once he tells me this one PD, the 81 PD arrays, final last one. That's it. That's it. That's the Holy Grail. No, it's not. If you walked over to your mirror right now, look at yourself real quick. That's the final puzzle piece. And it's always been you. You're the reason why you succeed, and you're the reason why you haven't succeeded yet. And ultimately, you and you alone are the only reason why you're going to fail. That's not me talking down to you. That's me telling you the way it is. That's just the way it is. Are you coming to me for a constant dose of something new, but have done nothing with what I've already given you?
Our trade sits at his desk, coffee in hand, The NASDAQ chart's on his screen, he's in command. He's a day trader, chasing dollars and dreams. Using ICT concepts, he's got some tricks up his sleeves. From Fibonacci retracement to volume spread analysis, Tyler knows the smart money, he's gaining an advantage. He watches the market like a hawk in the sky. With every tick and every turn, he's catching the high. Running with the smart money, kicking up dust. Tyler trades a day trader you can trust. He's dancing with the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire. With the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire.
Alrighty, good morning, chat. How in the heck are we doing, boys and girls? Good morning. Happy Friday, boys and girls. Welcome in. Good morning, CJ. Good morning, Hindsight King. Bugs Bunny, good morning. Roger, good morning. Z Trades, good morning. Easy Trades, Yeet DeBeat, good morning. Pine Looms, what's up, man? Good morning, Doman. Hit the like button, boys and girls, if you'd be ever so kind. Say what's up in the chat. Do not be shy. All right. First things first, let's go ahead and dive into the economic calendar. Let me see. Do we got any news today? We do. We have revised U of M consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. revised U of M consumer sentiment, orange folder news. So we will be mindful of that. Otherwise, we are past all the earnings for the week, and we had Apple earnings come out yesterday. We saw price obviously, do what it did yesterday, and finally, kind of start rallying back higher. We are now above the new week opening gap of this week again, which we have not been since Monday. So where do we go from here is the $1 million question, right? So 4-hour time frame here. Honestly, it does kind of, so it's obviously also the close of the monthly candle, right? So monthly candle is closing today. How is it going to close? I think if we're going to see lower action here on the next monthly candle, it'll be higher probability if we see this monthly candle close below the previous month low. Currently, the weekly candle looks like this. So very, very, very strong rejection off of the lows down here. On the daily, this is obviously what we look like. It's just so funky that it left this like no wick lower daily candle low, and now we're just like rocketing higher. So my eyes are basically like right here as a potential draw, this Monday high. And then also there's a 4-hour gap like right above that level as well at 801. Short term, like dropping down to, the 4-hour or even like the 1 hour. My eyes internally are on this 304 level to see if maybe price wanted to manipulate lower to then give that push higher, because I do think that this is starting to become a, you know, my objective for a draw, but would like to see a manipulation down first if we could get that, and then maybe trade into that new day opening gap as well. If I drop down to 15-minute chart, right? Like this is what we look like. Here's our Asia session, London sessions, obviously internally. So not a whole lot of overnight movement, but a lot of movement. Just continuation higher. Obviously, yesterday we were rallying a lot, already going into the open. The open just made an insane push higher. We caught this little mean reversion trade down here, and then we just kind of kept trucking along higher here. So yeah, let's see what we get today, guys. Friday, last day of the week, last day of the month. So don't be going too gun-ho. Don't be going too gun-ho. Capital Preservation Friday is what they're telling me. So just trade smart, all right? Trade smart, chat. All right, let me turn the music down a little bit. Let me grab that. And yeah, good morning, guys. Hope everybody is doing well, man. We got opening bell here in... Oh, I just missed it, actually. Fuck. I just missed the opening bell by a few seconds, chat. Just by a few seconds. But, yeah, let's see what we got today. The poll in the chat, what are you guys voting on today? 61% of the chat is bullish. 29% of the chat is bearish. So that's pretty tilted, though. Pretty tilted for upside, chat. Pretty tilted for upside. Made money in Asia. Definitely not touching New York. Nice, Manny. What did you take in Asia? We didn't really do much. We didn't really do all that much, but long, shorts. Guess you could have caught either one. What's up, Sesko? Good morning, Kookie. Good morning, Lumen Charts. Jonesy, good morning. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Tyler Jacobs in the building. Tyler, where the hell you been, man? Where the hell have you been? Everybody in the chat every single day is like, where's Tyler Jacobs 94.91? Where's Tyler Jacobs 94.91? Everyone's been asking. Everyone's been asking. New York had been ugly for me lately. New York AM session was pretty ugly for me the first couple of days of the week. We've kind of straightened out now a little bit, but yeah, would like to obviously be picky today. You know, obviously it sucks ending the week on a red day, so we'll try to be picky. I'm not, like I said, too sure as far as like bias goes. I'm, you know, just based on the momentum to the upside that we've had, though, it just feels like these draws in close proximity are very possible. So we're kind of just waiting to see what we want to do, right? ES did trade down to the new day opening gap, or its new day opening gap. I mean, we got basically as low as New York midnight. Now we're continuing higher. 15-minute just continuing this expansion. What's the... So AMD's up 5%, Microsoft's up 1%, Google's up 3%. Apple's down 10%, but I'm assuming... Holy fuck. Well, all right. Apple's down 10%. Apple's down 10. Amazon up... Wait, what? Oh, wow. Amazon's up 13%. TGIF? Well, I don't know how we can get a TGIF on this weekly candle. How does one get a TGIF on this weekly candle right now? If that's what you were saying, unless you were just saying like, thank God it's Friday. Yeah, I don't think there's a TGIF move to be had here, really. Maybe we get a TGIF on the end of the month, which we've already done. That's the crazy part. So if I go like fib here, we've already retraced like, where's my thing at? TGIF. Oh, fuck, wrong way. Whoops. Oh, damn, yeah, we've already retraced like 50% almost. So crazy, man. Literally, guys, just in the last day and a half. In the last day and a half. The whole month, like half the monthly range, basically. Right back up. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Apple earnings were bad? Yeah. Yeah, no, that makes sense that it was down. I mean, I figured it was going to be down, but yeah, I saw that was down, and then I see Amazon obviously way up, so. Those are the two earnings yesterday. Yeah, NQ's just trucking along here, man. NQ is just trucking along. But, yeah, I don't know. Is anybody in longs already off the open? I'm getting sick of asking, like, who's in trades right off the open this week, because I feel like every single day it's just been like a pump or a dump right at the open. CJ says we're going to all-time highs again. We might be. You know what's fucking hilarious? I mean, I think I told you guys this yesterday. I didn't even add into my like long-term port at all down here. I was waiting for just like a little bit lower. Oh, am I gonna miss another dip? Am I gonna miss another dippy poo? What are we? What was the final? What was it like? Yeah, 12.5% off the highs. ES did not come off the highs nearly that much. ES, I mean, you guys can see it here. ES did not pull back off the highs very much, 5%. And then obviously maintained this weekly SMT and monthly SMT. So yeah, SMT at these lows. The highs here at the all-time highs, at least on ES, closer proximity, and they look pretty low resistant, to be honest, right? Lower highs here. Oh, fuck. Wrong one. So. Yeah, maybe. She might be ripping back up. I guess we'll see. I think how this monthly candle closes, though, will be pretty... will tell us a lot, I think, right? If we close back above the June low, probably going to have to view that July wick as a rejection block, but we're always subject to change our mind at any point, right? My stream is super delayed. I think it's only delayed by like 6 seconds. 6 or 7 seconds. 6, 7. But it is a little bit more delayed, slightly than like, I think the lowest I could maybe get it down to is like 5 seconds or 4 seconds delay. But I'd have to drop the resolution down. And to be honest with you, I kind of just like the way that it looks. I kind of like the way that it looks not lower resolution. $11 seconds? I don't know if it's 11 seconds. It might be 11 seconds for you. You might have to check your internet. $1080p. We got to keep that 1440p, man. If we get stopped out, we got to get stopped out in high definition. Listen, it's okay if you get stopped out, but if you're going to do it, you got to do it in HD. I like to get caught in 4K if I'm going to get caught. You know what I'm saying? What's up, KR Trader? What's going on? Not much, man. We're just chilling. Just kind of chilling, seeing what market wants to do on a Friday, man. You know the vibes. That's pretty much it, man. Nice little pump off the open here. SMT'd this high here, obviously. ES did not trade above it. Hella rejection. I like that 304 level as a possible draw for that lower. It's a 4-hour inefficiency, new day opening gap, as well as if I go to like the hourly here, and then I fib up just this last rally, right? So this dealing range where we traded into this gap and then pushed up like 50% of this leg is down below Asia, and then obviously we didn't really get a rebalance down here, so you could extend this all the way down to here, and you're looking at actually trading back to that low right there. So holy fuck. Trading down into a 15-minute bullish gap. What's up, Choya? The key level indicator. Key level indicator? I don't have a key level indicator. This is a new day opening gap, new week opening gap indicator. I had it on just to show that we were like trading at the new week opening gap, basically. I think that's what you're asking. Or unless you're asking about this kill zone. Here, let me show you. So right here, these are my indicators. You can see them all right here, top left. So yeah, I got this higher time frame one. I got this new week opening gap, new day opening gap one. Probably toggle it off. We don't really need it necessarily. And then I have this ICT everything, which shows me these like opening prices. And then it also, I have it mark out Asia range as well. And then kill zones and pivots by TFO. I use for just marking out the sessions. So Asia, London. This gray one is all of regular trading hours. So AM, lunch, PM. And that's pretty much all that I use for indicators. Yeah, I used to, well, what was the... I know like when 2 Degrees gave me access to their like collection or whatever, I did like attempt trying to like incorporate this open, high, low, close stat map. But I'll be honest, it kind of like gave me analysis paralysis, so I didn't do it. Or so I stopped looking at it, but say something. Can you guys hear me? High Impacts Treasury has informed banks that it may intervene in the yen market on Friday. Yeah, we saw the dollar going, well, somebody, I forget who sent it in the chat. They were like, look at USD JPY. USD JPY was just tanking. And we looked at DXY, and DXY was tanking. We're kind of, excuse me. Are we rallying back a little bit? Yeah, a little bit now. Oh yeah, this is going lower, I think. Just a little daily rebalance chat, I think. We'll see if it wants to keep going lower on the dollar. That doesn't really impact us too much. I used to use the dollar a lot in terms of like, like looking for inverse correlation with the indices, but also kind of one of those things where it's either paralysis by analysis and or just too much information. Or it's doing the exact opposite of what it should do. Will, I don't think you understand what TGIF is. We went over this like 5 minutes ago. Is retrace just a myth? Yes, it's just a myth. You think smart money cares about retracing for us to trade into a fair value gap so we can get in? Fuck no. Barron Trump says, Dad, I need money. And I need you to go to this price level. It's the best. Asia low 389. Thank you, Absolute Goat. Wish you the best of luck as well, unless that was your way of saying you weren't trading, but thanks, man. See if we get something today. Smart money is now about Trump's tweets. That's correct, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The market makers are quite literally whoever runs Trump's X account. Or his Truth Social, I guess. It's probably Barron Trump, to be honest. It probably is Barron. Probably Barron this whole time. Yeah, all within the first 15 minutes, by the way. Hella inversion on the 15 and changing the state of delivery. So we were talking yesterday about changing the state of delivery, breakers, etc. Like here's obviously our 15-minute change in the state here, closing below here. Where's my, oops. So 15-minute CISD, we just took out Asia low. Yeah, man, moving pretty fast though. It's not like you're kind of like having to get in this or get left behind, but can you copy CFDs at TradeSyncer? That's a great question. I actually don't know the answer to that. I don't know, actually. That's a great question. I should probably know that. I actually don't know. I don't think so, but I might be totally wrong. Maybe you can. I wouldn't know, though. I don't trade CFDs. I'm sure it's a pretty findable answer. I would just go look at their FAQs. It's probably on there. $10 a.m. candle will pump, maybe, man. Yeah, 304 was kind of the thought process for a couple of reasons. New day opening gap, a rebalance of like kind of that last impulsive leg higher, and then also like this daily candle. Well, obviously, like again, that new day opening gap, as I mentioned, but that is the level. So once we manipulate below 304, right, we'll see what it wants to do. But yeah, man, look at this dump, dude. Jeez. We could do maybe as well. Use a little bit of projections. This obviously is our manipulation. So if we project this down, you know, we're looking at one standard deviations being all the way back down here at this structure. 1 to 1.5, obviously at this low here. 2 to 2. I mean, I just don't know. I mean, that'd be pretty crazy if we got all the way back down here today. We do have Orange Folder 10 a.m. news as well. So we'll just have to see, man. I'm open to playing both sides. I'm open to continuation shorts. I'm open to looking for a long reversal here around 10 a.m. as well. I'm playing it by ear today. I'm playing it by ear today. The delay, maybe the delay is a little bit worse today just because it is telling me that I dropped some frames earlier. It says I'm good now. It says I'm good now, but I told you guys yesterday that they were like upgrading all my like internet shit yesterday. And they said it was supposed to be like an 8 to 10 hour thing, but it could be longer, so I don't know. My internet's working obviously, but there might be a couple hiccups with that. It does say that I dropped some frames earlier. Like I said, I think it says it's good now though. Ed, I had to switch the DJ back up to the copyright free music because my whole stream basically it said it was like temporarily blocked in like some territories or whatever on YouTube. YouTube's so gay. So we had to go with copyright free. Yeah, I'm just going to tell everyone. Some people might be like behind on, like super behind on the stream just because of like dropping frames earlier. Might have to do a little quick refresh. Just like Nintendo, boys. You take the game out, you blow on it, you stick it back in. Works every time. Works every time. Wickless hourly candle, ES 461. And obviously imbalance. I mean, it's not really saying much because it's kind of, we got another one at like 443. Tapping the 4-hour inefficiency here on ES. And there we go. We're hitting it on NQ now as well. There's 304, right? So now the daily candle has shifted and it's starting to manipulate lower. Currently bearish. We'll see if that wants to hold up or if we're going to get a bounce in here off of you know, this volume imbalance that we left. 12-hour gap there. I mean, it's basically it's a gap on like every single higher time frame. 12-hour, 8-hour, 6-hour. We'll see. 2 to 2.5 does line up with like perfectly in this 6-hour gap. Well, we did say that the chat was a little too tilted for bullish. Now look what you guys did. You broke it. How'd you guys do that? You broke it. Why'd you do that? That's why we can't have nice things, chat. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we want to do. I'm open to either or, really. Top of the hour in 5, news in 5. You're so mad you couldn't short it? I mean, yeah, it would have been nice to get, you know, some opportunity in there, yeah. Do I play some instruments? Just the skin flute. You get it, or? But no, I don't play any instruments. Uh-oh. Breaker incoming, question mark? Dang. That's crazy. Ooh, just hit a 5-minute. We'll see, man. I don't know. I think I might sit this one out. Like, it's a logical spot for us to bounce from, and obviously the 1 minute looks good, but feels a little fishy. Maybe that's just me, but traded up, hit that 5-minute. 2-minute hasn't closed above here yet. Maybe if you get the 2-minute, you feel a little bit better about it. News and news will hit at the close of this candle, by the way. New hourly open. What you missed? What do you mean? I thought you've been here the whole time. You didn't miss much, man. Would have been open to shorting this, but that was like way too fast. And didn't really give an opportunity. Can you depend on this channel for all the trading? No. All right. I just got a text saying that all the internet stuff is complete. So we should be good. Nice, DJ. Congrats, man. No, not fiber techies. I have like the best internet that you can get where I'm at. It's like 1 gigabyte or whatever, like download speed a month. Or no, not a month. Whatever the highest package is, 1 gigabyte or whatever. I've had that, but apparently they were like upgrading I don't know, whatever hardware they need to upgrade in the area. I don't know. Oh, I don't either. So mad it didn't let you enter. That's not that big of a deal. We'll get another one. Oops. We'll get another one probably, huh? At some point. All right, so there's 10 a.m., right? So ES did just slightly pierce the low there, previous hourly low. What are you guys thinking here? Massive sell-off or massive pump back up? That is a very sharp reversal from the highs on the 15. Obviously in the hourly. She might be fucking dumping, Chad. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we hit it up. We traded up, hit this order block here. Or I'm sorry, fair value gap on the 5, 2, and 3. Like, bruh, do we just like short this order block if it forms? Cross our fingers and hope to die, or what? I'm just gonna watch it on the 5-minute here, just so I don't get induced into anything earlier than I need to. I'm gonna wait on this 5-minute. But yeah, I mean, we hit this order block, or I'm sorry, this fair value gap. So if we do close below this, this would be a valid order block. Going to close on the 3-minute here in 20 seconds. 2 and 1 minute about to close. 1 minute's about to close, I should say. The lows that I'm targeting, well, the lows that I was going to be targeting already have been hit, but obviously, like, depending on how you're viewing this range, like, obviously we're in a pretty deep premium. You know, we didn't rebalance at all here, so therefore you can kind of just extend this for your premium and discount range. So, you know, could we come take out this low here? Possibly. Worthwhile to mark up your premium discount range on ES2, I would say. We'll probably get to equilibrium before NQ on ES. So yeah, if I do get into a short here, that'll be kind of the idea, right? I'll be looking for that. I'll be looking for this move lower toward discount. It does look heavy, yeah. It does look heavy. It does look a wee bit heavy, I must say. Trying to decide where I would like to try to grab my entry from on this. If I just go off this structural low, stop like at this wick. Going to -1 would be like a 1.5 R. It'd be a good partial there. Or if it'd pay to like try to get a better entry up here, but potato. I guess I'd rather be in the trade than miss it. So I'm okay with that. Just risk accordingly, I guess. I went ahead and put the sell limit here, 293. I'm going to see if I can get filled and then look for the short, just using this 5-minute order block, basically. is what I'm going for here. Crazy market last couple of days, huh? Insane rallies, insane sell-offs. No, I didn't watch any videos he posted last night. No. What did I miss, Z Trades? What did I miss? I did get a nice little. I didn't really troll it. It wasn't. I didn't mean for it to be a troll. I just meant for it to be funny. But his one tweet last night, he was like, "How do you know what PD array to use?" I responded back by saying, "I just put my stop loss on the other side of 3 PD arrays because you said if 3 PD arrays fail, my ass is next." And that got a lot of feedback. I mean, we're not gonna get it really, dude. Like, come on, what are we doing? For love of, for fuck's sakes. God, bro. So, all right, if we're just gonna analyze the action, 1 minute, what do we get? I mean, I'm trying to get that entry on the 5 minute, but 1 minute fair value gap holds. We trade down close below here. So now this is a valid 1 minute order block. Damn, bro. Piss my pants. Piss my pants and blame it on my grandma. I don't know. I'm just making shit up. You ain't cool unless you pee your pants. The best PD array is open, high, low, close. Is that really a PD array, though? Is that more of just like a... like just a way to read price? I don't know if I'd call that a PD array. Damn, bro, this is fucked. This is actually crazy. It is all you need. I agree with you, X. I do agree with you. That's all we're really ever trying to do is figure out like what the, hourly PO3 is going to do that you're trading in the, the 4-hour candle, etc. So to me, it was pretty clear. Like if we were gonna get reversal for higher here, this absolutely would have respected and held, and we would have seen this 10 a.m. low stay intact, or 9 a.m. low stay intact on NQ, because remember we SMT'd with ES right off the jump, but we basically just sweep this high and we start coming back down. So to me, that was indicating that the PO3 of this hourly candle was going to be lower. Tried to get this 5 minute, man, just trying to be like, a little bit more cautious on a Friday, I guess, and try to get a little bit more confirmation on a slightly higher time frame, but market is unforgiving like that, I guess. We got a 5 minute gap that is being left at my entry, and I don't know if it's wise to leave my limit on anymore. If I would have been in this trade, I probably would have gone break even by now. at this -1 projection. And I'd probably be partialing if I'm being honest. I'd probably be taking one of my contracts off by now. So, not that it might not matter. I might not get picked up anyway, but this is pretty nuts. All right, well, we'll go limit off for... fuck. I don't know what yet. Do I leave it on just for the culture? Or? There's always a chance, right? There's always a chance. Never say never. Bro, chasing price. How am I chasing price? Are you retarded, Mafia Trades? Like, actually. How is it? What? What did I do here? What did I do here that says I was chasing price? I'm not even in my fucking sell limit. First of all, the fact that I'm setting sell limits... The fact that I'm setting sell limits kind of indicates that I'm not chasing, wouldn't you agree? You know what, Mafia? I wish I was chasing price. I'd be breaded right now. I'd be stunting on these hoes. Yeah, I'm gonna go limit off. Just gonna have to because I would have been, like I said, partialing a break even already anyway. So, damn, man. It's tough. I wasn't even like going for a picky entry either. I was going for like just this structural low like retest. So yeah, we're gonna have to see how this reacts from here. Obviously I'd be open to like shorting if we do trade up into here and then respect. You know, if we can trade up into here, respect it, you know, maybe another confirmation lower can hop in and just go for that next low and then maybe 995. Screw it, long 10 micros. You talked me into it. Should I just go load up on some evals and we just start like sending this shit? I mean, look at this movement. Like, we're so volatile. Should we just load up on some evals and just start sending some mini contracts on the 1 minute? We'll try to predict like every 1 minute leg. Should we just go fucking full degen mode? I don't know why you guys are saying it's time to long. I don't know if you guys are just trolling or what's going on, but you passed some Lucid Pros in this. Nice, dude. No fundage for me today, only eval. Hell yeah. Hey, man. Yeah, it's always good to win regardless, whether it's eval or funded, right? But damn, what'd you take, Z Trades? Where was your entries? I mean, obviously I could have grabbed entries on like probably the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Like the 3 minute in hindsight, obviously, probably the cleanest. I just decided that I wanted to be a slightly more patient, wait for the 5. And then ultimately that was kind of how we're getting left in the dust here. But, yeah. Oh, well. Two longs, lost both. Yeah, the only way to make money on the longs was like literally longing at the open. And if you were holding for these highs, then you just got torched. Torched, man. Yeah, like I said, just crazy, kind of just a crazy market last couple of days. As soon as we got into like FOMC earnings, market just like going buck wild here. Huge rally up, like And the only thing I can think in my head is like we're really like retracing. We're probably going to retrace down no less than like half that daily range. And then the question is, do we go to new lows? Probably not today, but like, do we go to new? Well, maybe today. I guess anything's possible, but for sure, probably next week into next month, and then I'll get my long-term ads then, boys. So that'll be good. I was getting a little nervous. I was like, there's no fucking way that's the bottom. But it's starting to look like it's getting back on track here. We'll see. A lot of ball left. A lot of hoop left, chat. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. PA making it hard to find buys, so tough. Well, yeah, it's tough when we get to like really close proximity to like highs or lows and then we leave them. I get that. Like that's what makes it hard. Because once we get so close to what seems like an obvious draw, and then if we just leave them, obviously that's really frustrating. Which, you know, that's why trading is so tough. And it's like, you just have to try, like I said, if nothing else, right? Like, let's say you just say, fuck draw and liquidity, and like you really strip down trading in like ICT concepts, all this stuff to like the most simple form. I genuinely think that you could be just fine if all you ever did was just say, okay, what's the current hourly, what's the current 4-hour candles doing, right? And just try to get in alignment with the lower time frames with the order flow that you are seeing on the hourly and the 4-hour, right? Obviously, if you could factor in open, high, low, close, PO3 with that discount premium, that'll probably help. But like, you know, ultimately price will, I believe, show you what it is going to do. And sometimes the issue with like, I have the same problem sometimes. Sometimes what happens is you get so fixed on a draw on liquidity being hit that you kind of like stubbornly ignore the fact that like the PD arrays are doing the exact opposite of what you should be wanting to see if your draw is supposed to be getting hit. You know, I get it though. Like that is the frustrating part about trading, because you get so fixed on a level, getting hit, equal highs, equal lows, whatever, and then it just like doesn't get hit, and you're watching PD arrays support in the opposite direction, and then therefore you miss out because you're married to the bias, I guess, a little bit. But yeah, I mean that's a normal part of trading. I think every trader has moments like that. We're not perfect, but. Sempi says, pretty sure we made the bottom. This is just going to the 4-hour BISI. I mean, we may be putting in a bottom here. We are really close to, it looks like we're going to get back to discount, I think, though. Let me check. Obviously, if we just use like ES from this low, did we rebalance this? I think we did on ES, actually. So we might be rebalanced on ES already. I can't. What's the verdict on this, chat? Does this look rebalanced to you? I think so. From this swing low to this swing high, like using that same range from NQ, it's obviously not anywhere close to that 50%. So that's why you extend it. But like ES, I think we did get that. So therefore, your dealing range could look like this on ES, which obviously we're way, way, way down. And we're hitting the structure, filling this gap here. So yeah, this could be the low being put in for the day. We'll see. Like I said, I'm not trying to get too far ahead of myself. A lot of higher time frame candles need to open and close before we know exactly what's going on here. Fucking A. At least you'll be married, FOMO. I like that. That's the right attitude to have. At least you'll be married. If you marry a bias, at least you'll be married, I guess. That's true. Did we hang on, what was the Oh yeah, okay. Probably just waiting now, chat, honestly, a little bit. Like, gotta let some structure probably come in here. Pretty aggressive move, man. So, aggressive move up, back down. Why you didn't enter on the 1 minute order block? Which 1 minute order block, Dominic? Are you talking about this one, or are you talking about like this one up here? If you're asking about this, well, really both of them. Honestly, I was just on the 5 minute, so I was trying to avoid the 1 minute, basically, for both of them. So. But yeah, honestly, the 3 minute was probably the cleanest short. Order block tag, or fair value gap tag, sorry, and then order block formed. We didn't get back to this opening price, but we rebalanced the low. That's more than good enough. That's what I was trying to get on the 5 minute. It was just the little wick tap. Let's see here. I mean, we're just reading like 1 minute action here now, middle of the hour. So this might get choppy, might get messy. I think there's actually a fair chance that probably happens. We got a 5 minute bearish gap that we're in right here. And then we're also 1 minute order block that formed right here. We'll see which one wants to hold. I still think... We'll see. We'll see. Why didn't you take the 12-minute CISD of the 7-minute rejection block? So easy, free money. Good point, Bobby. I don't know why I didn't do that. Let me see. The 12-minute CISD. We did have a very clean 12-minute, didn't we? Pretty clean 12-minute CISD. 7-minute rejection block. The 7-minute rejection block. Ooh, right here. Oh, dude. 7-minute rejection block. You're right. What a snipe that'd have been. You're right. No arguments there. Yeah, let's see. Let's check the 30-second chart. There's probably something on the 30-second. Maybe up here. Dude, that move is so fast. That's crazy. Nah, that's not that clean. 15-second? Oh, dude. Look at this gorgeous... Look at this gorgeous stair stepper. Fair value gap, new low. Fair value gap, new low. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna come. I'm gonna come. I'm gonna come. Five-minute hold in chat. 5-minute hold in. Yeah, I don't know. It kind of feels like we might just like either grind to a new low into 1030/11 or just like accumulate here till 1030 or 11. So yeah, man, I think if you didn't catch the short at all, if you did catch the short at all, congratulations, and you're probably done for the day. If you didn't, you're just waiting. Kind of a bummer that I got left on that 5-minute, man. That would have been like pretty clean back at least to TP1. And I don't know, man, maybe I would have closed it after seeing like this close on the 5-minute, but might just be holding the one left and just see if we get the final push. Hard to say unless I'm in it, right? To be honest, Tyler, just do the opposite of what chat says here during the macro. Easy money. Well, you know what's crazy is like, I know it's a joke that if the chat is really tilted one direction, like in the poll, I'm telling you guys, it is actually, there has not been one time that I can think of where, like, if the chat is over a certain percentage, like obviously it's shifted now that more time has gone on, more people have gotten on the stream and seen what price is already done. But like prior to this dump, bro, we were so tilted for bullish. It was like over 60%. So usually when we get like that tilted and not very many people are wanting to see a certain direction, it like always goes that other direction, like always. I can't think of a time where that hasn't been the case. It's an amazing phenomenon, chat. It's an amazing phenomenon. I know like Top Step, I don't know, they probably still have it. I would assume so. I don't know if anybody in here trades with Top Step or not, but do they still have the tilt indicator? Didn't they have that like on Top Step X where you could see like what percentage of traders on the platform were bullish or bearish or in longs or in shorts? No, I can't see who voted for that. No, everything's a yeah, no, I can't see that. I mean, you can't even be mad at them. Like I understand why they would be bullish, and I understand like, you know, once this market opened up, you know, you're watching the first few minutes go by, you're like, oh shit, yeah, I guess we're just gonna go straight up to those levels, but then we stop just shy and turn around. So, you know, nobody knows if we're gonna actually take these out first or if we're gonna stop short and turn around. Like nobody knows that. They still have the tilt on Top Step X. Can you, if anybody's using it, can anybody share in the chat like what the tilt is right now on their platform? I'm just curious. I want to know if it's like really tilted for longs or shorts. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Take a buy? I'm just chilling, man. If I do take a buy, it's going to be after 10:30. If I do anything, it's going to be after 10:30. But yeah, beautiful rejection here on this 15-minute. Yeah. We rebalanced on ES, so I don't think that NQ needs to get down here anymore because ES did it. But we will see, man. We will see. My original short position was going to be up here in this, what is now a 5-minute gap. Obviously, 5-minute gap here, 5-minute gap here. Slap them both together on the 10-minute. And then this 15-minute will have a little gap also in 20 seconds. Next sell side target? I mean, if you're bearish still, then probably just 995. Or just the low, right? Low, internal to external. In longs, ghosts. All right, good luck, man. Crypto server, what's up, man? Pass a few evals, nice, dude. Yeah, sounds like that's a theme in the chat. A couple other people said the same thing. Everybody's eating some evals today. Honestly, not a bad day for it. We're moving a lot. That's why I said I was like, should I just go stack some evals quick and then let's just like send some minis? Should we like see how many? That would be fun, wouldn't it? Oh, should I? Just like snag some evals and just see how many we can pass, just full porting like one at a time. Use code tag. True. Touche. You're 2004 away from passing your first funded. Not being in any trade is killing me. I don't feel that way. Oh, he retracted the message. Never mind. Typo, maybe? Maybe he didn't mean to see 2004. Full pour Friday. Yeah, that's the same theme these days. Nika, what's the plan here? Is it bearish or bullish? Come on, Nika, give us a sauce. Quit fucking gatekeeping on us. $200 away, says Richie. Oh, okay. Well, don't force it, Richie. You'll get it. Internal to external crypto surfer. That's what I'm asking, right? We got this. I have this 15-minute gap marked out, which we're trading into, right? So I'm really kind of just waiting to see. Okay, do we confirm lower at all here? In which case, perhaps that's going to be the thought process. Is yeah, this internal to external short back to this low. I'm just like looking at the wicks on the 1 minute, kind of ugly. Obviously, like 2 minute. I don't really want to wait for that. 30 second. 30 second looks kind of clean, but I don't know, man. This is a little bit funky. It's a little bit funky in here, isn't it? It's kind of a little funky in here. It smells like somebody... It smells like somebody who needs a shower just walked in on this chart right now. Yeah, no, I said we were going to do that. I think the chat would actually be all for that. It's just full porting evals on Fridays, but I guess we could. Question is, what are we targeting? I'm not targeting anything. I'm not in anything yet. And the reason I'm not in anything is because I don't know where we're going. 1,000 joules from Jam Jar. Jam Jar, thank you, man. Thank you for the 1,000 joules.
I'm gonna come.
What's the jewels? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out myself, but it gets the people going, so. Wait, Nika, did you even tell us what your thought process was? She goes, I took shorts this morning and long not too long ago. Oh. Bull for now? You son of a bitch. Now you tell us. Nika, if you top ticked the short and the long, I'm just actually gonna give you my YouTube channel at this point. $10K USD in jewels. I don't think I get. Do I get money from that? I don't think I get money from that. I don't know. I actually don't know what it does. Swear to God. And I mean, shit. Like, you guys can see my, I don't like YouTube ads and like stream revenue. Like, you don't make hardly anything at all. Yesterday's stream got demonetized, so I make nothing on yesterday's stream. $8, $6, $13. Got rich that day. Oh, why? Because I took a loss. 3-hour stream. $13. I think you only make like money if like people super chat. But YouTube takes like 40%. It's ridiculous. Anyway. You get demonetized if you play like not copyright or like royalty free music. A lot of the times, like the memes that I play as well, some of them have like music in them, so that'll also get an entire stream demonetized. But I mean, the goal is not to make money from like streaming like YouTube ads or whatever. It's more so for the experience and the fun. And you guys using code Tyler. Oh, $6, 3 hours of stream. Oh, man. Slave labor for YouTube. Someone reporting me? I don't think so, no. No, it's they have like AI or whatever that like scrubs your streams, and then if it like picks up if there's copyright music in it. A super chat is where you essentially, you go right here into the YouTube chat, you click the little dollar icon thing, and then what you do is you open up your bank account, you look at, okay, how much money do I have in my bank account? And then what you do is you type that number into the super chat, and then you click send. I think that's how that works. I don't know. That's what they told me. At least you can afford a McDouble from your streams. Yeah, that's true. That's a good point. May try that later. Felt cute. Might delete later, right? I get it. Yeah, I think it's bugged, boys. Can somebody try it? Nobody's given me their entire net worth yet in a while. It might be bugged. Oh, man, I haven't had McDonald's in a hot minute. Does kind of sound good. Crypto Surfer, would you judge me, bro? If I went like got like a double quarter pounder with cheese or something? Like a little Friday cheat meal or something like that? But then again, boys, a lot of you are not from the Midwest, so y'all don't know about Culver's. For the ones that are in the chat that know about Culver's, you know, it speaks for itself. But Crypto Surfer says if you're bulking, no. Well, the thing is, Crypto Surfer, I'm not bulking. But hey, you know, your duck sucked you yesterday. Is that legal? I didn't know ducks could do that. Maybe I should get a duck. Nah, too far. You know all about Culver's, Lone Wolf. Let's fucking go. Dude, it's the best. Harmon knows about it. Yeah, we got... Unless you're, like, literally, like, spend time in the Midwest ever at all, like, that's the only way you're gonna know about it, but... Yeah, Culver's is daddy. Oh, little 1 minute CISD, little potential inversion gap. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna try this short here if I get picked up. Keyword if. I'm in. New 15-minute. I'm in. That's why I was being quiet. I said I'm in, and then if I was gonna get stopped, I wanted the next words out of my mouth to be I'm out. You won't, Nika. You won't. You think I might be cooked? I mean, I might be cooked, yeah. 15-minute fair value gap, 1 minute shift. Trying to see if we get continuation lower here. But it might be cooked. Might be cooked. We'll see. Oh, yeah. Fucking cooked for sure. Oh, fucking cooked, bro. Oh. 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 And I'm out. And I'm out. For the record, we did just tap where my original sell limit was, by the way, on that spike up. Well, I guess we tapped it here. My original sell limit was literally this 5-minute wick. So I hope it doesn't fuck me. But kind of looks like it's going to fuck me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Macro coming in a couple of minutes. Best advice for copy trading 35 accounts? Size down. Size down. Give 34 to me for safekeeping. Give 34 to you. Oh. Trading model didn't work twice a day. That's okay. Now enter? No. I don't think so. I mean, we're back to 50% on ES from regular trading hours range. Obviously, NQ's got a ways to go. All right, macros incoming here. What are we about to do, chat? Are we about to just... Is this hourly candle actually going to close fucking bullish? Men just don't listen. Listen. You know how like dogs, there's like a dog whistle where like you can only dogs can hear it? I don't know what it is. Like, but like when women speak, it's like, it's not in the right frequency. You know what I'm saying? Like we just can't hear it all the time. What's this on? Back to the 5-minute OB. Yep. Yup. In the macro. The best buy was down there, says Zine. What makes you say that? Because we went up from down there? See, my thing is I don't have much patience when it comes to trading, but my setups be on point. I just hate waiting for it. That's fair. That's fair. Yeah, we'll probably do a giveaway here in a little bit, chat. I just want to see what this 11 a.m. macro has in store. Make sure my camera's not heating up. Gosh. I don't even know, like, if I go long here, I don't even know exactly what my target would be. I don't feel the best about us going back to the highs on NQ. I have my doubts. But we do have an open, like, 15-minute we could target. A couple of them, actually. Couple of them, perhaps. As well as, obviously, just the OB. So, anyway, what I'm kind of hoping happens here, if we're going to get another opportunity, it would be trade down. Want to see this fair value gap support price and then give a confirmation. And I'm going to look to long into these areas of unfilled gaps and try to make back the L and then make some money. But how to remove fear? Just a risk less. Risk less. Make more money. Get a secure job. Yeah. I mean, you need money. You need money, man. The more money that you make, have coming in, etc., the better off you're going to be for your trading. Like, you're going to live and die with every loss that you take if you literally need your, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you need your trade to fucking give you a living, like, you're kind of in a tough spot. Don't have bills. Be a woman. Find a sugar daddy. Or I guess you can find a sugar mama too. Brother, is this gonna really just inverse here? This 15-minute closes. I don't know what to do right now, chat. Do I fucking get back on side with my short here? Oh my god. Oh fuck. Bro, my fucking first short would be printing right now. My short, my sell limit that I didn't get picked up on would be printing. Oh, no. I'm scared. Just a little fake out. You guys see why the 1 minute chart is like AIDS sometimes? You guys see how that happens? 3 minute, 5 minute. You guys see that? You guys see how that's AIDS? You see how you could contract some sort of disease from that? We're hitting this new day opening gap. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I can't fucking make my mind up if I'm more bullish or bearish here. I'm like literally, I actually don't know. I'm kind of just waiting for this to tell me, hopefully, and not lie to me. Anyone else, or is that just me? Wise man once said, flip a coin full port. That's true. I actually have heard that. All right, new hour. You're leaning short. Yeah, I don't hate it. Kind of sucks that I got stopped out on a short already, though. We are in the, I mean, NQ is the weaker asset now. It looks like we had a much stronger V-shaped recovery on ES than we did NQ. The only issue is we have this hourly gap that was left up above this candle high now. Doesn't exist on S&P, but it does exist on the NQ. So do we want to get there? Or are we just going to hold here and push? You can see the previous hourly candle swept the low and closed above it. It's really like, I don't know. I don't know where it wants to go right now, so I can't jump in anything yet. The stubborn side of me does like, if we do get a move down here, maybe try that short one more time off of reclaiming this gap, getting back below that 5-minute inversion. See if we can get a run here. Obviously, we got a lot of like stacked lows, trendline liquidity here. But no, I'm not in a trade right now. No. I did try one short, and that did get stopped. I tried shorting from here, try to go for internal to external, but the question is, does it want to go from internal to external on the 4-hour to the highs or not? I just don't think we get back. I don't think NQ gets all the way back up to these highs, to be honest, today. I don't think so. I've been wrong before, though. I have been wrong before. Next Friday we'll do well, let's see, what is the calendar next week? Oh, it's NFP, right? Oh no, we can't do that unless we just do it like after, like we try to catch like a serious trade and then like we do like a little eval degenning. Yeah, next week hopefully should be good. Kind of bites if I'm going to end Friday red. I don't want to end Friday red, chat. I also don't want to make it worse, but is this the hourly PO3? Is this it? Rejection block hold. This ended up also being a rejection block. It's just hard to trade that action, right? Yeah, we didn't get down to the gap on ES on the 15. We did immediate rebalance the 15 on NQ. Hit a 5-minute on ES. This is hard. This is hard action to like decide what I want to like. You know what I mean? This type of shit makes me wish I caught like one of the moves earlier and then just was done. Like, kind of sucks that I got left on the sell limit up here. What made me not take the short is my sell limit didn't get picked up. CJ, you're heading out by. See, man. You don't want to stay for the giveaway? Should we do a giveaway? Do you guys want to do one or no? We could save it, I guess. Yeah, we'll see. We got like, what's the list of people that submitted proof? We got like a list of, plus with the rollovers, I don't know, dozen, maybe 15. Well, let's see. This will determine it all. What are the likes at? Oh, not even 100. Let me get this straight. You guys want me to give away accounts worth more than $100 and not even 100 likes? Oh, man. The debate of Patrick and ICT, I just saw the clips or whatever that went kind of around on socials. I got proof, didn't know we were going to run it again. Let me submit some. Crypto Surfer, since you did win last week's giveaway, the proof, if you do submit proof, it'll be rolled into like next week. Because if people win, like I do want to like give other people an opportunity to win like the next week and like put people on a little bit of a cooldown so we're not always like giving away the accounts to the same person week to week. But just so you, just a heads up on that. We talked about that yesterday. I don't know if you were here or not. Fave, prop firm, probably TRADEIFY. TRADEIFY, Lucid, Apex. You know, then you're getting into like My Funded Futures, TPT, FundedNext. Obviously the you can see the firms that I'm partnered with. All good, but yeah, I still think TRADEIFY is the best. Man. Chat. Chat, what does a guy do with this? What are we doing? I can't tell. I don't know. I'm actually like, it's honestly such a, like, literally flip a coin. Like, actually just flip a coin right now. Here's what's going to happen, boys. Here's what's going to happen. If I don't take this short, let's say it sets up and I don't take it, and then it plays out, I'm going to be mad because I'm like, dude, I was right. I guess I was early, so I guess I was wrong, but I'll be red because of that when I could have been green. And if I take it again and then it loses and I make my red day a little bit worse, that's also not going to be good. Feels like I'm setting myself up for a potential lose-lose. Ugh. Decisions, man. Yeah, by the way, the original sell limit. The original sell limit, by the way. Yeah. All right, well, let's see here. Big drop. Big drop. Why does this action just look like shit, though? What are we doing? The fuck is this action? We just... All right, let me fucking clear this up. ES, that trade down, ES traded into a 15-minute. Bullish fair value gap. It's just kind of crazy that NQ keeps coming down. Like, we just stacked up 3 lows here now. So that's kind of good. Dude. Oh, man, yeah. Literally, dude, like, I'm so jealous of everybody that caught trades earlier. Because this action is, like, so fucked. I don't, like... It just feels like you're not going to have any conviction, really, with either direction that you might pick. Which probably means, you know... probably shouldn't try to force it, but fuck, dude, I want to be green on the day. Oh, why? Your model shows up 3 times so far, working 2 out of the 3, which is good. But I kept over trading. I mean, there's not really much I can say for advice other than just you got to have some sort of a rule that you stick to, whether that's 2 losses and be done, or 1 full win and you're done. I mean, that's usually the goal, right? You just want to take 1 good winning trade and be done. But obviously it's going to be a little bit person dependent. I would just say that you got to have you just got to have rules that you stick to and just like know when to walk away. You're not always going to be perfect, but that's really all it is, right? Like nothing is going to stop you from over trading, meaning like nothing will, unless you remove yourself from the chart. The market ain't going to stop you. The market will fucking say, yeah, man, come back. Come back for another. Like kind of what I'm about to do maybe right here. All right, chat. All right, chat. Revenge tour. Revenge tour. Total revenge trade. Uno más. Trying to get back in green on the day. A little red right now. I think we need at least these lows, though. We need fucking at least these lows. We'll go break even there, and then we'll just see what happens. There's no way we're going to leave all those lows. Come on. Now I sound like a guy with a problem. There's no way we're not going to land on black. There's no way. We just had red 5 times in a row. Calvin says, yes, we're going to leave them. Calvin, if we leave them, I will personally give you a blowjob for free. And I don't hope it happens. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I trade daily market open, Patrick. Yeah. Typical Friday after 11 action right here. I know Z trades. I know. That's why this is a revenge trade, chat. I'm well aware. I'm well aware. So, yeah, wish me luck. Fuck gold. Fuck gold. You're going in timeout for 1 minute. Market is bullish, says EA. Don't do this. He goes, don't do this. It's bullish. Don't do this. It's too late, man. It's too late. I've already done it. It's already happening. All right, break even. If I closed right now, I could be green on the day, but mama ain't ready no bit. Break even or TP, chat. Break even or TP. Come on, Mr. Market. Please, please, please. We at least got our break even, though. I guess I can't be too mad. It ain't going to be a loss. It ain't going to be a loss. Kelvin's telling me to TP. Nah, I'll just get break even on it. It's fine. I'll be down like $300 on the day if I get break even. You wouldn't be surprised? I wouldn't be surprised either. We really needed to like get below here and close. Yeah, not that. We needed to not do that. Come on, baby. Come on. Push. Push. Push, you little slut. Where's the 15-minute rejection block? Right there. We'll include the volume imbalance. All right, I'm going to just trail. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's the risk reward right there? 1.5. All right, we locked in enough to be like break even, maybe slightly green on the day if we get trailed out here. See if we can get like this 15-minute rejection block and then maybe a new low. W revenge trade, chat. W revenge trade. Yes, yes. Oh, I'm going to come, actually. I'm going to trail more. Yes, yes, yes. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. Oh, I just actually creamed in my jeans. Nah. You know what? Hang on. I'm out. I'm out, boys. Fully out there. Rejection block. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! W revenge trade, boys. Let's go. Didn't need any of that stop loss, really, so that's good. What's up, buddy? We did it, chat. We did it. Yay. Hooray. We did it. All right, because of that meme, the stream is now demonetized. I will not be able to make any money on this stream just because I played that. So, in that case. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's Friday.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right? Well, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. Let's go. Let's go. What? Hey.
Nice. All right. Well, boys. Recap quick. And then trying to decide, what do you guys want to do for a giveaway? Do you guys want to do just like Discord? Do you guys want to do a duck race? Or what do you guys want to do? You will never fade me again, such a troll. Oh, Calvin, that's right, dude. Yes. Yes, dude. I don't have to give him a BJ. Let's fucking go. Oh, thank God. I forgot about that, Kelvin. Holy shit. That could have been bad, bro. I use teeth, bro. You wouldn't have liked it at all. You would not have enjoyed that. No way. But yeah, boys. Anyway, went short here from a 15-minute, 1-minute shift. 15-minute gap, 1-minute shift. We had a CISD and a inversion. Went short. Got stopped. It was like right before the macro also. And then obviously we stayed patient in this choppy nonsense and then ended up going short here after we got like a clear manipulation. And yeah, went to the 15-minute rejection block. See if it wants to continue lower from these bearish PDRAs. Let me grab a screenshot real quick. Where's my entry on this? Right there. Ooh, I actually got a pretty good... Oh, yeah, I used the 50%. I was going to say I actually got a good entry on that. I actually got a good entry on that, though. And then, yeah, I was looking for like this. $15-minute RB. Nika, did you TP your long? I'm assuming you probably did. Does that mean we were both right, Nika? Nika, did we both were right? Look at that. For screenshot purposes, guys, don't tell on me. For screenshot purposes only, I'm going to put my stop here. That way everybody on social media will be like, wow, really good risk reward. I want to be like, yep. That's me. That's me. Tell your sister. Tell your mother, tell your sister. Hell, tell your grandma. We always right. There you go. See, now we're talking. Now we're talking, chat. All right. What did you guys say? Did you guys... Let me see what the consensus was. The reason that the duck race is a little bit more... you guys just have to be patient because we'll have to, like... I'm going to have to grab a way to collect your names quick. There's not, like, a clean way to do it other than, like, the form. Seems, the link to the Discord doesn't work. The link to the Discord should work. I swear to God, I literally just updated it like last week. If it's not working, you should just close your application and then reopen it. Sometimes that helps. Let's let the mods pick. Mods, what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to do Discord or duck race? It's up to you guys. I'm not really in a rush. My camera's maybe going to overheat here shortly, but we can hang out. I mean, it don't bother me to hang out here and do a Google form here for 5 minutes, let you guys fill it out and do a duck race. That's fine with me too. I'm not in a rush if you guys aren't in a rush, is what I'm trying to say. But what I'm also trying to say is that if you don't like that fucking stream, I am going to paddle some asses. And you're not going to like it. 150 likes right now, or your family will be cursed for the rest of the year. And you don't want to do that. I mean, yeah. If we don't get to 150 likes, we're not even doing a giveaway. You guys have exactly 90 seconds. You have exactly 90 seconds, or there will not be a giveaway at all today. Unless maybe I just do one with the, you know what? Yeah, I'll do that. I'm going to do that. If we don't have 150 likes, I'm going to just do the giveaway with the people that submitted proof of using code Tyler. Whatever, back freckle. Prop giveaway. Prop giveaway. Last day of the month, chat. 7/31. No way. Yeah, so name, email, YouTube username. Discord username. And all right. All right, guys. Giveaway form coming your way. Giveaway form coming your way. It is in the chat, guys. The giveaway form is in the chat. I'm going to pin it. And then I will give you guys until like 11:40 to both run up the likes on the stream and fill out the form. All right. All right, chat. Sound fair enough? We got, yeah, so let's do it. Well, I'll do a mod giveaway. Nika, it's just you and Crypto Surfer. You won like 2 weeks ago. Remember you were throwing cake and shit? And then Crypto Surfer won on Friday last week. Kevin's not here. I think he said he was going on vacation yesterday. So he's at the beach. That was not a month ago. Ain't no way. You lying. You lying. But yeah, we can do like a giveaway with just the people that submitted. It's honestly the list. Listen, guys, you guys kind of slacked this week. Nobody was really sending proof. Only like a handful. Only like a handful, to be honest. For those guys that did not know, if you do submit in the Discord, if you do submit proof of using code Tyler in the ticket section, then you get extra entries for these giveaways. Every single time you use it, it's an entry. Let me show you guys a good example. Obviously, Lucid is kind of nice. PJW, I'm gonna maybe like, hope you don't mind if you're watching PJW. But like Lucid is nice because even on like the invoice afterward, it tells you what coupon code was used. So like this would be like, this counts as 2 entries, right? But then like for like TRADEIFY is a little trickier. So you have to like take a picture like beforehand because it doesn't show you in afterward. Or Apex or FundedNext. Any of the partnered firms will count, but just so you know. Just so you know. All right, guys, we're going to run the giveaway here in a couple of minutes. I'm assuming the likes are where they need to be. I assumed incorrectly. We need about 15 more likes. 15 more likes, chat. We did 3 giveaways yesterday. We'll do a couple more at least today. I'm grabbing the duck race. I'm grabbing the duck race. And let me grab this. Let me grab that. We could do it this. We could do it that. We're going to clear that list. We're going to grab our list over here. All right. So these are going to be... these are going to be names of people that submitted. Did roll over people from last week as well. Minus like Noise Vision, you won yesterday. I don't know if you're watching or not, Noise Vision. Noise Vision won yesterday. Crypto Surfer won last week. Ah, fuck it, Crypto Surfer. I'm gonna keep your entry. I'm gonna keep at least one entry for you in for this one. But then, like, to be honest, brother, like all of your other entries are gonna roll forward into the next week also. So just a heads up on that, man. Just a heads up on that, man. All right, so first giveaway, chat, is going to be with the list here. These are all people that submitted proof of using code Tyler. This will be for a... Well, I'll let them pick, actually. I'll let them choose whether they want a 50K growth with TRADEIFY or if they want a 50K Pro with Lucid. Both are one-day pass evals, so I'll let whoever wins this pick. All right, chat. 30 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Also, they don't have to be present. They might not all be present. But anyway. All right, let's see. We got PJW, we got Zank, we got Nika, we got Medics, we got Dom in there as well. We got Raghu in front right now, 67-69. Raghu, 67-69. I like the cut of your jib. We like to keep it classy, San Diego. Oh, Dom coming in fucking hot here. Oh, no, it's going to be Dom, ain't it? It's going to be Dom. Dom, are you there, Dom? Dom might have dipped. Honestly, Dom might have dipped, but Dom, if you are there, congratulations. Or if you're watching this back, congratulations, my man. Congratulations. Now, don't say your name. Don't say your name. Oh, my bad. All right. We got 69 responses on the Google form. We're 10 likes short, guys. 10 likes short. And I know you guys didn't fill out that Google form for nothing. I just know it. I just know it. But let me grab the responses. And hide that. Copy that. And now we'll paste it in here. So now we'll have everybody that filled out the form, and then the people that, you know, submitted proof will have extra entries. So let me just make sure. Blah, blah. Okay, cool. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Done. And 5 likes away, chat. 5 likes away. Let's just knock it out. What do you say? We're just 5 away. We might as well just get them knocked out. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're just 5 away. Also, is Dom in here? I don't think Dom's in here. Dom, brother, are you in here? My friend. He fucking dipped, didn't he? Hang on. Let's troll Dom a little bit. Let's troll Dom a little bit, because I don't see him in here, but look at him in the Discord, bro. Bro is active as fuck. Dom won the giveaway and ain't even here. Damn. What's a good gif? These all suck. Oh, anyway. All right. There we go. There's the likes, chat. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right. Let's do 50K growth account with TRADEIFY, chat. All right. Let's do clear. Let's go 45 seconds. Do like a little happy medium. Done. Thank you, Nika. Finally. Finally. All right, chat. 50K growth account with TRADEIFY on the line. Good luck. Let's see who wants it bad enough, boys. Let's see who wants it bad enough. Nemo. There's Nemo. Nemo, you've been out in front lately a lot. Nemo, come on. Let's get this. All right, Nemo, here's what's going to happen. You're going to fall back a little bit, give everybody else a chance, and then you're going to come sneak back up and snag it, I think. What do you guys think? Jonesy. I see Jonesy at the top. Sempi Lau. We got Manny. We got Music Vibe. Music Vibe won once upon a time, way back when. Dom will be ineligible if he wins again. We'll have to run it. There's Nika. And Batman. Nika, you're Batman. Look at you. Or I guess Batwoman. Oh, Nemo lost. Oh, Nemo. Nemo lost oil pressure. Uh-oh. Sesko. Dang. Sesko, let's go. Let's go, Sesko. Congrats, man. Let's see what Sesko said, if he's getting in any mischief this weekend. I forgot to read these last time. There was actually some good dad jokes. All he said was, of course. Of course, he says, he goes, he says, he goes, he says, but would not specify, Sesko. Anyway, congrats, man. Up front, but never a winner. Nemo, this might be the one. Nemo, this might be the one. Yeah, this might be this could be it. Fingers crossed. We'll do another 50K growth TRADEIFY account, guys, and then we'll get out of here, all right? Sound fair enough? And then we'll do more giveaways. We'll do more giveaways next week. All right. Good luck, everybody. On your marks, get set, quack. Medic says he can't win to save his life. Bro, I'm literally... Medics, it's only a matter of time, man. It's only a matter of time. Obviously, Sesko, you're not going to be able to win again. Is that the same Sesko? I think so, right? All right, let's see here. We got Nika, we got Dom, PJ, Medics. I see Medics. You guys are right there, clustered up. You got Nika's Batman again. There's Nemo. You guys see Nemo right in the middle. We got Joel in here. Oracle. FOMO. Maria. Maria. Why did you leave me? What the fuck? We got Bar Gabzabon just ripping Z trades. Could it be Z trades this time? 3. Well, we're going to have to run it again. We're going to have to run it again. Guys, is that the same? That's the same Sesko, or is that a different one? It's the same one, right? Sesko 14? I already don't remember. Is that the same one or a different one? Hang on. I forget I have a Google form here that'll tell me. Yeah, no, it's the same one. It's the same one. It's the same one, but he already... Sesko, you already won once, man. Sorry, but hey, lucky duck. Oh! All right, here we go. Lucky duck, Sesko. Back to back, dude. This guy's actually to be reckoned with. All right, let's see. Let's see who really wants it. Round 3. We got Natala. Meet Natala. We got Gordon. We got Sempi back out on top. Kelsic the trader. Angelino. Angelino just won yesterday, so it can't win again, Angelino. Sorry. But if you win, that'd be pretty cool. Nika, not Batman this time. You're actually the little Viking helmet. Who do we got here? Where's Only True Trader? It's kind of a mixed... I don't know. It's something's going to happen. I think someone's just going to come ripping, I guess. Who's this? Who is this? Hey! Raghur. He was one of the people that submitted in the Discord as well. So congrats, Raghur. Congrats, man. So yeah, if you guys won today, feel free to drop a ticket in here. Just send me a screenshot of your YouTube, and then I will get you the TRADEIFY codes here after stream. And then Dom, if you're watching, listening out there somewhere, I will let you decide if you want a Lucid Pro or a TRADEIFY growth. All right. All right, man. Appreciate you guys. Enjoy your guys' Friday. Enjoy your guys' weekend. Was very happy that we were able to get back the L with a W and ended up being a perfect exit. How about that? Amazing. Amazing. And next week is NFP week. So, and obviously new month. So, hey, enjoy your guys' Friday. Enjoy your guys' weekend. We'll be back live here Monday morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys would like to get funded and support the stream, code Tyler. And like the stream on your way out, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. We'll see you next week, all right? Peace and love, chat. Have a good one.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Joints on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. Into running, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity and grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.